Hello and thank you for visiting StrobesMore.com. My name is Lewis and today I'm just going to make you a quick install help video for our Strobes N More CSP Pro switch. This is our 3-button switch that will work with your Strobes N More, which I have here, or your Whelen CSP competitor series strobe power supply. Very simple switch to install. Number one thing I'm going to mention on this video, as I do a lot of them, don't bench test. Install properly per your instructions. When you get to the individual switching of turning on, running your switches on your install guide, stop. You're going to take our switch, okay? You're going to plug it into what we call your control port on your strobe power supply. The wires may not match up. This particular power supply comes with a yellow, green, and blue control plug. However, on our switch we use a generic wire that has red, black, and white to keep the cost down. So, you're going to plug this into your strobe power supply. Run your switch, mount this under your dash. You now have a red and black wire coming off the back of your switch. Okay, you should have already run your main power to your battery and fused it appropriately, and your ground to either a good ground or to your battery. For the switch, you're going to do the same thing. However, you don't need the amount of power you do going to the main power supply. This only draws, milliamps just to tell the power supply to turn on and off and to turn on the little lights inside the switches. So you're going to ground your switch to a good solid ground, and you can run this to a fuse panel, jump it off an existing fuse, or just put a 1-2 amp existing a fuse in line with your switch. So now you have your switch installed very simply. When you flip your switch, the light on the switch comes on, and this one does strobes 1 and 2. The other switch does your other strobe. Sometimes it's hard to see them flashing. Now I have all of them on. When I push the button, it changes the flash pattern, and I'll zoom in so you can see the switch itself. So, shut everything down. Your first switch on, lights up, off. Second switch, in this case I'm just running 2 strobes because it does 3 through 6. I only have 2 running. I only have strobes plugged into 3 and 4. Goes back to 1 and 2. So very simple, just plug this into your control port. However, keep in mind, like I said, make sure you run everything else per your instructions, your power, ground. Just when you get to your switching, that's when this will take the place of the remainder of your instructions. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call here at strobesnmore.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.